Hello guys, thank you guys for watching. So today I did a trade shorting a top gainer. I reaped $200 today, 240 for today, which is it's an okay amount. You know, I'm not focused in making $3,000 or getting 12K in one trade. I don't do that because, you know, there's only a max loss of 8,000 and I don't want to go below that. My goal is just to grow this slowly and being consistent over time, proving my strategy works. And I'm going to be showing you guys today a video of me trading or shorting a top gainer. I hope you guys find it useful. And if you want the link for the prop firm I use, it's a link in the description. It's an amazing prop firm. I just recommend you guys to follow my strategy because it works. Thank you guys. Looks like it's selling off. Selling off. Selling off. Down 300 only. It's going to test the 9 EMA. The 1 minute STC is at 100. Do expect this thing to go back to the VWAP. Let me put the take profit $30. Getting rejected. Come on, break that 9 EMA. Volume overextension has faded back down. Testing the 9 EMA. Come on, break that. Break that EMA line. Acting as big support right there. It's not breaking it. Once it breaks it, it's gonna fall and dip back to the VWAP. Broke it. 1 minute SEC looks like it's about to curl down. Okay, it's curling down now. Come on, let's push. Curling down. We're up 135. It is taking a while though. It's taking a while. Volume looks like it dipped. There's no volume. Five minute. It's not at 100. The 3 and the 2 is at 100. The 10, 15 is at 100. 30 is at 98. So it is pointing downwards. It's pointing downwards. But I want to exit this automatically already. I don't want to stay on it longer. I hate staying long on these stocks. On the top gainers, it's so risky and very, very emotional. It sucks being on these trades for a while. But it is what it is. I'm paying attention to my indicators and I trust them. Nine EMA acting as strong support, selling off. Looks like it's about to break this 9 EMA. Come on, it's falling already. It's getting rejected. Getting rejected already. My target is this VWAP at 27. How about take profit at 30, 25? Let me put the 30.25 is right there. It's taking a while. I'm going to make my position smaller. I'm going to sell half of my position up here. Sold half of it to minimize risk. Selling off. It's taking a while to sell off. That's why I sold half of the position, minimize risk, because if it pushes up above, I will beat down a lot of money if I'm up there. It's selling off already though. I'm up $300. My take profit is at 30.25. Still taking a bit of time for it to reach there. You can see the 2 minute, 3 minute. Still very overextended on the STC, selling off 300. I will move my take profit a bit higher to make sure I catch the profits. 500 is fine. It does make sense that it will push below to the 30 line, maybe even the BWAP over here at 27, 28. So we have to be, we can definitely make 1K on this trade. If it does go below to the 28 BWAP line, which is up here. You see the 2 minutes still overextended on the STC. Looks like it's already curling down. From up here to down here is 13%, still selling off just to keep it. I want to sell this thing already, but selling off, 350. I will continue to hold. Still much more selling that it can do. Just to keep it, I could put a stop loss up here if it reaches, but let's do that. I will put a stop loss, so if it reaches up there, I won't lose anything. So let's just stare at this. Come on, continue to sell off, please. Continue to sell off, please. I'm asking you nicely. Continue to sell off. Indicators still showing Big push towards the top. Big push. Very parabolic. I will exit up here. Not letting me exit for some reason. That's why. Okay, I'm out of that trade. So you might not have 200,000 to trade with. You might not have 100K or whatever amount to make those kinds of winnings that I just did. So I recommend you guys checking out Trade the Pool. There's a link in the description. It's gonna send you right to the website. I love trading with the 100,000 to 200,000 accounts. Why do I like trading on those accounts? Because the max loss is way higher. The max loss on the $100,000 is 4,000. So if you reach below 4,000, the account gets terminated. And the 200 is 8,000. If you go below 8,000, the account is terminated. The goals are different on each account. On the $100,000 account, your goal is to reach $6,000 on the evaluation, and once you reach those 6,000, you get funded. So 100,000 is basically real money now. You have 100,000 on your account, and whatever you win, you keep. And then 200, the same for all of them. But I like the 100, 200 because the max loss is way bigger, and you have so much margin for error. And you want to be trading very small amounts of money, like I do. I don't focus on making $4,000 days because you have to trade with a much bigger position size, and it's way more risky. In my strategy as to short these top gainers, and the top gainers could keep on rallying, and you might be down a ton of money before your move happens. So you want to keep risk very manageable. So I recommend you guys to check them out. Link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys.